Hi everybody, I'm Jonathan Eversole with the Invention Club. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Series 100 hook sizing tool. Download it off our website, cut out the tool, and try it with your shelving to see if our hooks will work for you.
Open your browser and go to theinventionclub.com. On the home page, select Hook Sizing Tools from the top menu. On the Hook Sizing Tools page, select the Download Series 100 Hook Sizing Tool link to open the Sizing Tool PDF file. The next step is very important. Before printing, you need to make sure your printer is set to print at 100% or full scale. Otherwise, the measurements of the sizing tool won't match the true size of the hooks. Let's walk through this together with this printer on this computer. First, I select my printer and then select the Preferences button. For this printer, we can find the page scaling options under the Layout tab. Here we have the options to scale to the printable area or none. We select none, which indicates that we want to print at full scale or 100% size. Each printer and browser settings will be laid out differently, so you may have to look for the scaling or page scaling options. Let's go through another browser to illustrate how to print the sizing tool at full scale. After we select to print the sizing tool and selecting our printer, we select the More Settings link and scroll down to the Scale Percent. We select the Scaling Percent option and make sure it's set to 100%. After making these changes, we can print the sizing tool. After printing the sizing tool, use a ruler and measure the 10mm and 1-inch reference lines. Each should measure their respective values from top to bottom line. The measurement should be accurate, or you should go back and check your printer settings and try again. The sizing tool that we will cut out is located in the lower right-hand corner of the paper. Using a pair of scissors, cut on the dashed line to cut out the sizing tool. When you are done cutting out the sizing tool, only a very small portion of the dashed line should remain.
Now that we have the sizing tool cut out, I will demonstrate how to use the sizing tool on the shelving to make sure the hooks will work with your shelving.
The sizing tool has 3 sides that we use to measure the shelving. Side A represents the hook in a fully extended state. Side B represents the hook in a fully compressed state. And side C represents the width of the hook. Using the sizing tool, compare side A with the horizontal bars in your shelving. Since side A represents the maximum height of the hook, side A of the sizing tool should be able to span the gap between the top and bottom bars. If the gap is much larger than side A, then the hooks might not be tall enough to fit your shelving. Next, compare side B with the horizontal bars of your shelving. Since side B represents the minimum height of the hook, side B should be able to fit between the top and bottom bars. If side B cannot fit between the top and bottom bars, then the hooks might be too tall for your shelving. Lastly, using side C of the sizing tool, compare this with the vertical rails that connect the horizontal rails of your shelving. Since side C represents the width of the hook, side C must be able to fit between the vertical rails. If side C doesn't fit between the vertical rails, then the hooks will be too wide for your shelving. If your shelving has met all the specs of the sizing tool, then chances are our hooks will be a great addition to your shelving and your organization system. Head over to our store now, inventionclub.com, and order yours today. We always have free shipping. If your current shelving doesn't fit our Series 100 hooks, make sure you check back on our website for new releases or sign up for our email newsletter, YouTube channel, and other social media links to get up-to-date information. As always, we welcome your feedback and look forward to helping you. Thanks for watching.